Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and cancel your Premiere Pro subscription. So you guys can see I'm currently on my phone right now, and this pretty much applies to the computer as well. It should be the same process to cancel. So let's go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So you're going to want to click the icon right here for your profile, and it's going to say View Account. Now go ahead and click View Account here, and it should load up your Adobe account. Now it's going to bring you to the dashboard as well. So you can see here we are now on the Premiere Pro plan. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Manage Plan here. So once I go ahead and do that, it's going to give me the Manage Plan option and available actions we can take. So you can see here we actually have a Find a Better Plan or End Your Service. And I'm going to go ahead and end my service here to cancel the plan fully. So all we have to do now is just answer this question or whatever, and then click Continue right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it says now that your free trial has not ended yet. If you cancel today, here's what you'll expect. What yada yada yada. They'll try to get you locked in, right? But you're gonna want to go ahead and just click No Thanks, and then it's gonna say here what to expect when you cancel, and it's gonna say all this cancellation stuff. Just confirm. They just do all this extra stuff just so they can lock you in, but pretty much once you press that confirm button, it's going to say that your plan was canceled. So that's how you go ahead and do it, guys. It's super easy to do, guys, and hopefully you found this video extremely helpful. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.